Have you ever attended a fashion show? Yes? Then you know how exclusive and expensive it can be. From getting the right clothes to buying a ticket to the event, everything about a fashion show screams expensive. But what if we told you that you could attend fashion shows from the comfort of your home in your jammies, with just a smartphone or computer? And not just attend, but also buy the latest digital clothes for your avatar without spending a fortune in real life. Intrigued? Well, this isn't a dream. It's the future of fashion, virtual fashion. Welcome to our channel. And today, let's talk about the latest trends in the fashion world. But these aren't any ordinary clothes. They exist only online. You can wear them in a virtual world and show them off to your metaverse friends. But don't get too excited yet. We have some explaining to do. For starters, what is virtual fashion? In simple terms, it's basically digital clothing that you can buy and wear in a virtual world. For example, Facebook's metaverse or Roblox. Now, you must be thinking why someone would want to buy clothes for an online game. And we agree. It may seem pointless at first, especially when you can buy really nice clothes in real life for cheap. But virtual fashion is more than just buying clothes for your online game. It's about expressing yourself, being whoever you want to be, and experimenting with different looks without having to spend a ton of money in real life. Plus, it's a lot more convenient. You don't have to go shopping or wait for delivery. You can just put on your favorite digital dress and be ready to party in the metaverse in seconds. But you must be wondering who's buying all these digital clothes. Well, it's a lot of people. The global digital fashion market was valued at over $4 billion in 2021 and is projected to reach over $17 billion by 2026. That's a lot of growth in just a few years. So what's driving this growth? Well, the pandemic definitely had a role to play. With lockdowns and social distancing measures in place, people were looking for ways to connect with others virtually. And what better way to do that than by dressing up in cool clothes and showing off their latest looks on social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok? The rise of influencers has also contributed to the popularity of virtual fashion. Many influencers are now incorporating digital clothes into their wardrobes and promoting them to their followers. This has led to a surge in demand for these clothes as people want to emulate their favorite influencers' styles. Another factor driving the growth of the virtual fashion market is the increasing adoption of virtual reality technology. As more and more people use VR headsets to interact with others in virtual environments, they're also looking for ways to express themselves in these spaces. And what better way to do that than by wearing stylish clothes? But it's not just the younger generation that's embracing virtual fashion. People of all ages are now buying digital clothes to wear in VR and AR environments. So what types of digital clothes are people buying? Well, there's a wide variety of options available. From casual everyday wear to formal evening gowns, you can find anything you want to wear in the metaverse. Some popular items include graphic tees and hoodies, statement jewelry and shoes, and of course the little black dress. There are even some brands that are selling NFTs of their clothes, which gives the buyer ownership of a unique digital item that can't be replicated. So where are people wearing their digital clothes? Well, there are a lot of places. Social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok are popular spots for people to show off their latest looks. But there are also virtual fashion shows and events, where people can connect with others who share their passion for fashion. Some companies are even incorporating virtual fashion into their marketing campaigns. For example, Nike has released several limited edition sneakers that are only available in the metaverse. This allows the company to reach new audiences while also engaging with their existing fans. So how much do these digital clothes cost? Well, the price varies depending on the item and where you buy it. Some items can be bought for a few dollars, while others can cost hundreds of dollars. The most expensive item ever sold was a dress that went for over $17,000 at a virtual fashion show. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows in the world of virtual fashion. There are some challenges that need to be addressed before it can truly take off. One of the biggest challenges is the lack of standardization. There are a lot of different platforms and technologies out there. and it can be difficult for consumers to move their digital clothes from one platform to another. This is a problem that needs to be solved if the industry is going to grow. Another challenge is the security of digital clothes. Since these items are bought online, they're vulnerable to theft and fraud. This is a concern that many consumers have expressed, and it's something that companies need to address if they want to build trust in the market. So, what does the future hold for virtual fashion? Well, it's hard to say for sure, but it certainly has potential. As technology continues to evolve and more people embrace virtual and augmented reality, the demand for digital clothes is likely to grow. Some experts predict that virtual fashion will eventually surpass real fashion in terms of sales and popularity. That may sound like a bold prediction, but it's not out of the realm of possibility. Now, let's talk about some of the key players in the virtual fashion space. One company making waves in the industry is DressX, founded in 2019 by Natalia Modanova. DressX is a digital fashion platform that allows users to buy and sell virtual clothes for their avatars. The platform offers a wide range of items from top designers and independent creators, and it's a great place for fashion-forward metaverse dwellers to shop. Another company making an impact is Fabric. This platform was founded by Imran Amed, who was also the founder of Business of Fashion. Fabric is a digital marketplace for fashion brands and retailers to sell their products in the metaverse. The platform offers a unique opportunity for brands to reach new audiences and for consumers to shop from the comfort of their own homes. One brand that's been particularly successful in the virtual fashion space is Gucci. In 2021, the Italian luxury fashion house launched a limited edition collection of sneakers that were only available in the metaverse. The sneakers were part of a larger collaboration with Roblox, and they quickly became some of the most sought-after items in the game. This success showed the potential of virtual fashion and made other brands take notice. Now let's talk about how you can get started in the world of virtual fashion. If you're interested in buying digital clothes for your avatar, there are a few things you need to do. First, you'll need to create an account on a virtual fashion platform like DressX or Fabric. Once you've created an account, you can start browsing the items available for purchase. You can filter your search by price, style, and designer to find the perfect item for your avatar. When you find an item you like, simply add it to your cart and check out. You'll be able to pay using a credit card or other online payment method. Once you've completed the transaction, you'll be able to add the item to your virtual wardrobe. Then it's time to put on your new digital clothes and show them off in the metaverse. We understand that the idea of buying clothes for an online game may seem strange, but virtual fashion is more than just that. It's a chance to express yourself, experiment with different styles, and connect with others who share your passion for fashion. With so many big brands and influencers jumping on the trend, it's clear that virtual fashion is here to stay. So why not try it out for yourself and see what all the fuss is about? Who knows, you might just find that you love it. So what do you think about virtual fashion? Will you be buying digital clothes for your avatar? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing videos. Until next time, stay stylish and keep expressing yourself.